What's up guys, it's your girl Tiff here and this is Transition to Healthy Self. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a trend that I have seen on TikTok. I normally see this particular method around looser curls, so I'm going to try on my type 3C, type 4A curls, and I hope that it turns out great. So without further ado, I'm going to be trying a trend called net plopping.
Okay, so Penny Tovar, aka Curly Penny, started this trend where she would take the nets or fish nets and place them over her curls and diffuse her hair. So I'm gonna try that today.
So I've already washed my hair. I'm letting it just soak up just a little bit because I've been reading about it. Says that like you don't want your hair extremely saturated. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply my product. So this is the product that I'm gonna be going in with, and it is the Aussie leave-in mousse. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should, but if you don't, it's Tiff Nicole Blogs. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I have been using this a couple of different times for different type of hairstyles. So I want to try it for this one.
So as you can see, my hair is still very wet, very hydrated, and I'm just applying the mousse throughout my hair, and then I'm going to eventually do the praying hands method. But you can see my hair is still very wet. It's not dripping wet, but it's still very wet and hydrated.
Put into the container. I am supposed to scrunch, so I'm going to go ahead and flip my head over and go ahead and do that now. From what I was seeing, that this just helps with the definition and also the volume. So I'm hoping that's what I get. Now I'm just going to take what I have and I'm going to create like an opening and get my curls through. Let me see if I can get all of them in here, most part. And then now that I have this on, I've got my edges kind of laid down, and then everything is kind of confined in here. I'm gonna let this sit on for 10 minutes and then I'll be back and then we'll blow dry. So now we're going to take this off. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa, okay, not what I was expecting. So just gonna shake it out. What happened here? Okay. Definitely not what I was expecting. Oh yeah. We're gonna work on this a little bit more. With the growth oil by Kiss by Kyra, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. So I'm gonna try to separate some of these and just try to play with them and try to fix the dew. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So I feel like it's a little different than my normal washing goes. You'll see some stragglers where there is definition, but then like there's a couple of places where there is some frizziness and things like that. So like I said, I did go in with the oil and kind of separate a lot of the hair. For the most part, I don't know if I'll redo this net plopping again. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back. I could probably manipulate it a little bit more. I figured I'd put the earrings on, makeup on, so you guys can kind of get a better feel of the hairstyle. But yeah, I think it's a no for me. But like I said, I like the shape, so that's the plus side of it. And let me know down in the comment section if you guys have ever done net plopping before. If you're a type 3-4 sister or type 3-4 brother, you know, have you tried this method before? I'm really curious because like I said, I haven't really seen anybody out there doing it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and hit that black notification bell so you don't miss any of my 2021 videos. Until the next time, stay well, stay healthy, be blessed, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.